Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Live Pure, a weight loss supplement that has been creating quite a buzz in the health and wellness community. I've been using it for the past few weeks, and I'm here to share my honest Live Pure review with all of you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Now, let's get started. Live Pure is a weight loss supplement that claims to provide a natural and effective solution for those looking to shed those extra pounds. It's important to note that Live Pure is not a magic pill. It works best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Now, let's break down the key components that make up Live Pure. The first thing that caught my attention about Live Pure is its transparent list of ingredients. It contains a blend of natural extracts, such as silymarin, betaine, berberine, molybdenum, and glutathione. These ingredients are well known in the weight loss industry for their potential benefits. Now let's talk about my personal experience with Live Pure. I started taking it as recommended, 2 capsules a day with meals. In the first week, I didn't notice any significant changes, but by the second week, I began to feel more energized and noticed a subtle decrease in my appetite. It's important to highlight that individual experiences may vary, and Live Pure might not work the same way for everyone. Like any product, Live Pure has its pros and cons. On the positive side, I appreciate the fact that it's made from natural ingredients and that the company provides clear instructions on how to incorporate it into a healthy lifestyle. The energy boost was a definite plus for me. However, on the downside, the effects may take some time to become noticeable, and results can vary based on factors like diet and exercise. Safety is a top priority when it comes to any supplement. I did my research and found that Live Pure generally has a good safety profile. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medication. While I personally did not experience any adverse effects, individual responses can differ. Now, let's address some of the questions you might have about Live Pure. We've gathered the most frequently asked questions from our audience. In conclusion, Live Pure is a weight loss supplement that shows promise, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's essential to approach it as a complement to a healthy lifestyle rather than a standalone solution. If you're considering trying Live Pure or any weight loss supplement, make sure to do your research, consult with a healthcare professional, and remember that sustainable weight loss involves a combination of proper nutrition, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. That's it for today's Live Pure review. We have left the link in description, so click the link and get your Live Pure supplements to start a weight loss journey. If you've tried Live Pure or have any questions, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more reviews and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.